In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix USB device not recognized in Windows. So let's get started. So we just have to simply right click at the start button, and here you have to select device manager. Once you open the device manager window, you have to simply locate universal serial bus controllers or the USB. And here you have to look for your USB device or the USB mask. So if you have connected your USB device, you can find it from here. So once you find your USB device or the USB mask, just simply make a right click and then select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you have to simply choose the latest driver or the driver that will work for you and click on next. Now Windows has successfully updated your drivers, then close this and close this. And after updating the driver, just make a right click at the start button, shut down or sign out and restart. Next method, you have to make a right click at the start button, and here you have to select terminal admin. To open the Windows PowerShell, and here simply type this command msdt.exe space -id space device diagnostics. This will also be posted in the description. Hit enter. Now in my case, this is disabled, but in your case, this will fix the issue for you. So just simply run the command in the PowerShell window. Okay, then for the next method, go ahead in the Windows search bar and type edit power plan. Click on that under the best match. Now here you'll find this option, change advanced power settings. In the power options advanced settings window, you need to locate the USB settings. Once you find the USB settings from here, click on the plus sign symbol like this one and change the status to disabled. Okay, once you find the USB settings, change the status to disabled, click on apply, click on OK, and restart your Windows once, and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.